Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha powder benefits. Start by measuring 1/4 teaspoon and mix it into warm milk, tea, or a smoothie for better absorption. Use a small fat source like yogurt or ghee to help digestion and take it consistently, ideally with an evening routine to support sleep and stress resilience. Listen to your body, adjust dose gradually, and consult a clinician if you have health concerns. Many people ask about timing and dose, so follow a simple plan. Start with 1/4 teaspoon daily and see how you feel over 2 weeks. If needed, increase slowly up to 1 teaspoon while tracking mood, sleep, and digestion. Use it in the evening to support restful sleep or in the morning for gentle energy, and always pair with food to reduce stomach upset and improve uptake in the body. Ashwagandha offers benefits like improved stress resilience, better sleep, and mood support for many people when used responsibly. Pay attention to mild stomach upset and reduce dose or take with food if that happens. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking immunosuppressants or thyroid medications, check with a clinician before starting. Keep consistent daily use for several weeks to notice effects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.